Like most small businesses, the Tart Lumber Company in Sterling, Virginia has been hit hard by the recession. Craig Fritchie says the last thing small business owners need now is a tax increase.
The thing is, I won't go out and hire more people if these tax cuts go through because I won't have the money to invest in the business as much.
But President Obama wants to allow the Bush tax cuts to expire at the end of the year for individuals making more than $200,000 and for couples making more than $250,000. That includes thousands of small businesses that file their business income on their personal taxes. If the tax cuts do expire, the top rate for business owners will increase from 35% to 39.6%. For a business that brings in about $400,000 a year, that's about $12,000 more in taxes. And for a business with income of $2.5 million, taxes would go up about $108,000. And while only about 3% of small businesses would be affected, that 3% employs about 25% of the workforce. Overall, only about 2% of Americans would see their taxes rise under the president's plan, but they pack an enormous economic punch.
There's an astonishing fraction of the national business funding that comes from these high-income groups.
Some economists say it was spending by the rich that drove the economy out of recession.
High-income households are particularly sensitive to their finances. So if we raise their taxes now, I think they will pull back on their spending.
Zandi says the high-end tax cuts should be extended at least another year until the economy is back on its feet. President Obama, though, is unconvinced. He wants the tax cuts for the rich to expire. It's partly about fairness, but the administration says it's also about being fiscally responsible.
Borrowing to finance tax cuts for the top 2% would be a $700 billion fiscal mistake. It's not the prescription the economy needs right now, and the country can't afford it.
This epic battle over raising taxes on high-income Americans will begin after Congress comes back from its August recess. That's pretty close to Election Day, so you can expect the debate to be particularly ugly. Harry?
Chip, Reid at the White House tonight. Thanks.